there is a hole in this wig. It's a hole. But this wig is very old, so I'm not complaining. However, instead of throwing this wig away, what I'm going to do is make it into a bang. So first, you want to bring the hair forward. So you want to do like a V or U shape kind of part. You don't want to do it just straight across because the bang won't fall right. So now the next step, we want to take this piece and twist it. This way it can fall like this. I don't want a straight bang. I kind of want it to fall a little bit long on the sides, and you're gonna cut. And there you have it. You're having like wig problems and you can't afford to, you know, I guess get it maintenance or just afford a whole new wig. Work with what you got. If you got some left on your frontal. Now, I'm not saying this works for all frontals, but however, it worked for right here because I had a middle part and it had a hole and it was thinning out, and boom, all I did was cut it, and now I got like a brand new kind of hairdo, and this will be able to work. This will be able to work. So that is the great thing about wigs, that you can get multiple looks out of one wig.